Hello friends, today I will tell you that how to open an emulator without using or opening Android Studio. So first of all, you have to locate your SDK. So in my case, I have SDK in C, opening a username, app data. If you are not viewing your app data, if app data is not shown there, then you can go to the view and option and change folder and search options, and then click on the view, and the option will be checked, don't show hidden files. You have to check show hidden files and then apply and OK. After that, app data will be shown. Okay, so click on the app data and then click on the local and then click on Android and then SDK and here tool. So this is the path. I am going to copy this path and for a purpose I'm going to save it in a text pad, a notepad file. So here I have saved it. Now again go to your path, your SDK path, tools, and here write CMD. Now write emulator space a list space avds. So now press enter. So I have two emulator devices installed using Android Studio. Now to run this emulator, write emulator space avd space, for example I'm going to open Nexus 6 and then press enter. So here you will see I have opened my emulator. Another method that's very good method and a quick method. So what I have to go, just close this emulator. And what you have to do, that I saved it in notepad, and then just open this file and copy this line by using Ctrl C and paste it like space Ctrl V, and now file save as one dot or emulator dot bat, and I have saved it as a .bat file. Now click on this file. I think so there's a problem here, so just write backspace and write this notation and save it again as a emulator bat file. Now I'm going to open this, and this is open. You can see that. So here you can see that. So by using bat file, you didn't have to open it, you didn't have to command again and again. Just make a bat file one time and use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.